Communication at sea is crucial for safety and coordination among vessels. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ship to ship communication methods. Let's explore how ships talk to each other. First up, we have flag signals. This method dates back centuries and is still in use today. Ships can convey messages using a series of colorful flags, each representing a letter or a specific message. For example, the International Code of Signals includes flags that can indicate everything from I am on fire to I require assistance. It's a visual language that transcends barriers, allowing crews to communicate even in the midst of a storm. Next, let's talk about Morse code. This method uses a series of dots and dashes to represent letters and numbers. Ships often use Morse code with a flashlight or signal lamp, sending out short and long flashes to convey messages. It's a reliable way to communicate over long distances, especially when voice communication isn't possible. Imagine a ship in the dark, signaling another vessel with a rhythmic pattern of light. It's a timeless practice that still holds relevance today. Radio communication is another vital tool in a ship's arsenal. VHF radios allow vessels to communicate in real time, sharing information about their positions, weather conditions, and navigational hazards. This method is essential for maintaining safety on busy waterways. With the push of a button, a captain can reach out to nearby ships or the Coast Guard, ensuring everyone is aware of potential dangers. Hand signals also play a significant role, especially in close quarters. When ships are maneuvering in tight spaces, crew members often use standardized hand signals to communicate with each other. These signals can indicate everything from stop to turn left, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain safety and coordination without relying on radios or flags. Lastly, we have pyrotechnic signals. These are used in emergency situations to attract attention. Flares and other pyrotechnics can be seen from great distances, making them an effective way to signal for help when all else fails. Whether it's a distress signal or a simple alert, these bright bursts of light can save lives by ensuring that nearby vessels are aware of a situation. Understanding these communication methods is essential for anyone involved in maritime activities. They not only enhance safety, but also foster a sense of camaraderie among seafarers. So, whether you're a seasoned sailor or just starting your journey, knowing how ships communicate can make all the difference on the open water.